guys, so I'm getting ready, and honestly, I don't know where my white. Let me put this on me. I don't know where my white headband is. I hope you guys can hear me, but I don't know where my white headband is, and I usually do. I'm trying to wear it, but finally the day that I want to wear it, and it's not like just random. Oh, I hope y'all can hear me. So should I just put it on here? And it's not like random. I can't find it. I got this one, but it's so small. What the heck? Like, I used to have so many, and I keep losing them. Like, oh goodness, where could it possibly be? I don't know where it could be. I really hope that you guys can hear me, because I'm gonna hold it, because why not? But it's the morning, and this is the outfits of the week that I'm wearing. I don't like this one, but honestly, I don't really care. I'm just really trying to find my white headband. Because if I had the white headband, the life would be easier. But I might have to just try with this little bitty one and see how it goes, because I really don't have time. I have an 8 a.m. and it's 8:30, not 8:30. It's 7:31. So let's just do my hair. Okay, y'all. So I'm at work. Let me show y'all my fit. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready for class. I'm wearing this today, but I think I want to put something on my lips because I'm leaving out soon. I lost my lip gloss. Guess I gotta open a new one. Oh, I know where it's at. Okay, let's go to class. Okay, guys, this is my fit of the day. Okay, guys, so I was lazy today, so I just did this. Usually what I wear, but I wear it with black leggings. Here's a Miley for her dress. She's a girly girl.
I've been waiting to wear this for like 2 weeks now.
I have these shoes on. Yep. And that's it. Literally, I haven't talked to y'all because I literally needed to get to class. But here's my outfit for the day. White is Marc Jacobs shoes and these pants that I got from my granddaddy. But today was hectic, so I literally went from my 8 a.m. to something else, to something else, to something else. And I'm finally getting up. So this is it. Because that's what I gotta be. Because, and I get to take these down today because okay, y'all, so I forgot to record, but on a Friday, I wore all black because I have a performance and I didn't have an outfit on. So I just wore all black.